More treasures, 35 bucks a pair of skirts, and these are for 55 Pontiac. Whoa! Whoa! That's great! Those are 20 bucks a pair, 30 bucks for the wagon. Looks like Ford's, but that I had to capture. $30 for the Rambler Ambassador tail light. Where are you going to find that, folks? Come on! This is wonderful, absolutely wonderful. You see so much cool stuff here. It is great, just great. Looks like a Mustang possibly, $5 a piece. Just too cool. Let's continue the search. You guys have so much cool stuff over here. It's amazing. 55 Wonderbar radio for $500. The Caddy taillight lens is 77.78 for $150 the pair. Look at those lamps. Those are great. 89 through 90. What are they? I think they're Caddy for 75. Are those Caddy lights? Thought so. Very good. 20 bucks for the Caddy hubcap. I've got a whole bunch of Chevy stuff there for $30, $5, $10. Oh, nice, nice. School bus, big truck tail lights, NOS. That's pretty cool. $5 a piece. 64 Chevy tail lights for $64. I love the crank up phone. That's $275. 55, 56 air cleaner for $75. Here's a small block 4-barrel Chevy air cleaner. I can't quite spot it. I like the hood ornaments for $175 for the Pontiac and $110 for I think that's the Buick. Check out these small parts. $2 a pound. You know how crazy we go for these little screws? Those are for the doors. All sorts of trim stuff. Look at this. $2 a pound. It's going to drive you nuts the next time you see and wreck this. The speed balls, those blind nuts, oh my gosh, those things are fantastic. Look at these clips and everything. Again, $2 a pound. Absolutely crazy, crazy. Let's see what else we can find. See this 55. This is the Cameo. What I like about this is it's in such poor shape. You get to see the fiberglass, the way how it's bolted on over there. You can see it's just right on there. There's a cracking on through the holes.